Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the following command to install Java on your system. Once installation is finished, you can check the version by running the following command. Use the following command to install imagemagick, which is used by OpenMeetings. Next command, install ffmpeg, which handles audio and video conversation. The following command, install SOX, which is used for audio recording and processing. Run the next command to install LibreOffice, needed to convert Office document into a format that can be displayed in OpenMeetings. Run the next command to install mariadb-server. Then enable the mariadb to start automatically on boot. Open the mariadb command line with the next command. Next, run the following commands. Download OpenMeeting by running next command. Unzip the downloaded file. Moves the extracted folder into OPT for easy management. Run next command to install Apache Tomcat and its admin tools. Copies the OpenMeeting var file into Tomcat web apps directory. Next, moves into the OpenMeetings folder and start OpenMeetings using the next command. Now visit your server IP address with the next port into your web browser. Next, you need to restart Tomcat in case OpenMeetings did not start properly. Download the MySQL JDBC driver and extract it with the following commands. Copies this driver into OpenMeetings library with the next command. Moves into the OpenMeetings binary folder, stop it, and then start again. After that, restart the Tomcat with the next command. Now, visit your IP address with the next port /OpenMeetings. All that you have to do now is to configure the OpenMeeting. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.